Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is weigh-in day. That's right, it's weigh-in day. It's weigh-in day. Can you tell that I'm excited? Okay, so this week has just been a regular week, but it has been hot and humid beyond belief. So humid that every day my hands have been a little bit puffy, my rings are a little bit tighter, and I honestly know how my body works. It retains fluid when it's hot like this, so I really thought, even though I was on plan, that it might not be such a great weight loss week. So with that being said, I literally, like I do week after week after week, stay on plan. The plan is written to have you have success. Okay, keep that in mind. If you follow the plan, you're gonna succeed. And this week, seriously guys, I was blown away because I am pretty much almost to my goal. And the fact that I'm still able to lose weight just blows my mind. I can't wrap my brain around it, no matter what I do. When I go to the store and try on clothes and I'm in a size extra small, size 4 jeans, like that blows my mind. I haven't been a size 4 jean, no kidding, before I got married, before I knew Jess, like that's how long it's been. I gradually, as I got older, went from a 4 to a 6 to an 8 to a 10 to a 12. Before I get into my weight loss, I do want to show you a product because everybody that knows how much I love my chocolate peanut butter protein shake at night for my last fueling. Lately, it's been a kick of mine. They've been asking what kind of PB2 I use, and this is the product. So I'm not being sponsored, just showing you. This came from Costco in a 2-pack. It's the organic powdered peanut butter. This stuff is the bomb.com. So in a big blender, I put in about a cup to a cup and a quarter of water, and I load it with ice because I like it. Some people just use a handful, but I am like literally probably 5 handfuls of ice go in my blender. My packet of Optavia chocolate creamy shake and 2 tablespoons of this. No lie, guys, I sit here on my couch, I feel like I'm eating a Reese's peanut butter cup in a blender, sort of a cross between, because of all the ice, it's between like a soft serve ice creamish kind of thing and a shake, and I love it. And because I'm using so much ice, I'm literally in the bathroom 2 or 3 times after drinking the shake. So it helps me with my water, it helps me flush myself out at night. And my favorite used to be the brownie, and I do still enjoy that on occasion, but the shake at night, for some reason, I think because it's so much volume, I'm full and I can have the rest of the night and not have anything else and be totally fine with that. So PB2 organic, it comes in a 2-pack, 2 of these big jars for, I believe it was like $10.99, which is a really good price because this entire thing is 1 pound. 1 pound leads me to tell you how much I lost this week. So guys, you ready for this? This is a good one. Drum roll, please. Can you believe it? I can't even stand it. 2 pounds gone this week. And you know what? I have noticed it because I am slowly starting to see myself when I put clothes on. I noticed a difference this week, if that makes any sense. I'm sure it's cumulative, but I'm finally starting to see it and notice it in my clothes, especially in my pants, my waist. And I used to have that muffin top going on, above the belt. And I really don't have that anymore. So, with a smaller size pant. I still can't believe it. 2 pounds down this week has been wonderful. I am very close to goal, and when I get there, I will be transitioning and maintaining. Overall, I've lost 33 pounds. The plan works, guys. If you're interested, contact me, email me. In the description box below, I have my link for Optavia. So I will be guaranteed to be your health coach. I will guide you and walk you through it. And let me get Paisley. Hold on, guys. So I will guide you and walk you through the program, and I will be with you every step of the way. The program is written to work. If it can work for me at 49 years old, it can work for you. There's people on this plan in their 70s, in their 80s, in their 60s, 50s, 40s, 30s, 20s. It's like crazy. We have nursing moms. We have a program for that. If you're gluten-free, we have a program for that. If you don't want soy, we have other protein sources other than soy. It is huge. I could go on, but the best way to talk to me is to set up a phone call. I will call you and we can discuss it. So please check out my link below. And if you have any questions, let me know. And that is today's weigh-in. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay healthy, stay focused, do the best thing that you can for yourself, and invest in health. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.